The total cost of the F-35 fighter jet program is estimated to have reached $2 trillion, raising significant questions about the sustainability and efficiency of the program. The F-35 program is one of the largest and most ambitious military projects in history. The aircraft is designed to replace a range of aging fighter jets, featuring stealth capabilities, advanced electronics, and multi-role functionality that allows it to be used by the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. However, the cost surge, now estimated at $2 trillion, has raised substantial concerns. First, this budget places enormous pressure on military and national finances. The funds allocated for the F-35 could reduce resources for other potentially equally important projects. Second, cost increases often signal issues in project management, including delays, cost overruns, and unplanned specification changes. Third, there are concerns about whether the benefits provided by the F-35 are worth the expenditure. With such a high price, any technical or operational issues could significantly impact the perceived value of the program. Finally, this cost escalation has sparked debates about whether there are more cost-effective alternatives that could deliver nearly the same results without such a heavy financial burden. With such a large cost, it is crucial to ensure that the F-35 truly meets expectations and delivers value commensurate with the investment for the military and taxpayers. Cost escalation factors. The F-35 program involves advanced technologies such as stealth, cutting-edge avionics, and sensor fusion capabilities. Developing these technologies requires extensive and costly research and development. The project has also faced numerous delays due to technical problems, such as complex software integration and test system failures. Each delay adds to the overall cost. Additionally, when technical issues arise, further modifications and testing are often required to ensure the aircraft meets expected standards, which further increases costs. The F-35 requires extensive and expensive maintenance to ensure optimal performance. This includes routine repairs, parts replacements, and software updates. Some F-35 components are difficult to source and costly, leading to increased maintenance expenses. Spare parts availability can also cause aircraft downtime, further raising operational costs. Additionally, maintaining the F-35 requires specialized training for personnel and infrastructure development, such as repair facilities and flight simulators, all of which add to costs. During development, the military often requests additional features and capabilities to meet evolving operational needs. Each change requires redesign and retesting, which adds costs. The F-35 program also includes several variants A, B, and C to meet the needs of the Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. Developing and producing these different variants requires additional investment in time and resources. Raw material price increases, inflation and labor costs also impact the program budget. These economic factors over the long term can lead to significant cost escalation. The F-35 program involves multiple countries and international contractors, complicating coordination and project management. Inefficiencies in management can lead to increased costs. Lack of effective communication and transparency between various stakeholders can cause misunderstandings and delays, ultimately adding to costs. Overall, the combination of development issues, high maintenance costs, program scope changes, and project management complexity has resulted in significant cost escalation from the initial proposed budget. Despite its advantages, the F-35 program faces major challenges in managing costs to ensure that this large investment provides proportional benefits to the military and taxpayers. Key historical moments affecting costs. Contract award and initial design, 1996-2001. The F-35 program began as the Joint Strike Fighter with the goal of creating a cost-effective multi-role fighter aircraft. Two contractors, Lockheed Martin and Boeing, competed in the demonstration and validation phase. In 2001, Lockheed Martin won the contract with their X-35 design. However, from the beginning, changing and ambitious specifications set the stage for future development issues. Testing and early production delays. 2007-2010. During these years, the F-35 program faced several production delays due to various technical issues, including complex software integration and structural problems. These delays led to significant cost increases due to additional expenses for maintaining development and production teams without timely results. Structural issues and further delays, 2010-2012. In 2010, major structural issues were discovered in the F-35B, causing further delays and cost increases. The vertical takeoff and landing capability of the F-35B faced significant challenges, requiring extensive redesign and additional testing. Increased production costs and budget overruns, 2012-2014. During these years, the per-unit production cost of the F-35 increased significantly compared to initial estimates. This was due to various factors, including production delays, added features, and inflation of raw materials and labor costs. By 2012, the Pentagon announced that the total program cost was projected to exceed $1 trillion for procurement and maintenance over the aircraft's life cycle. Addition of new features and capabilities, 2014-2016. Throughout this period, the military requested the addition of various new features and capabilities, such as upgraded weapon systems and avionics. Each addition required design modifications and additional testing, all of which increased the overall program cost. Performance issues and repairs, 2016-2018. Several early versions of the F-35 experienced performance and reliability issues, including problems with the helmet-mounted display system and sensors. These issues required costly repairs and updates to ensure the aircraft met expected specifications, adding to the program's financial burden. Project Management Review and Reforms, 2018-2020. Due to ongoing cost increases, the Pentagon undertook various reviews and reforms in project management. This included changes in procurement processes and improvements in transparency and coordination among stakeholders. Although these measures helped stabilize some aspects, the already inflated costs proved difficult to significantly reduce. Inflation and global economic impacts, 2020-2024. In recent years, inflation and global economic changes have also affected the program budget. Rising raw material prices, labor costs, and supply chain challenges have further burdened an already significant cost. The $2 trillion price tag for the F-35 program has broad and significant implications. From a defense spending perspective, this immense cost puts tremendous pressure on military budgets, requiring the government to make difficult decisions regarding spending priorities and enhancing efficiency and accountability in project management. From an international relations perspective, the high costs impact multinational cooperation, geopolitical influence, and the potential arms race. The massive investment in the F-35 reflects major challenges in managing defense budgets and maintaining balance in global dynamics.